questions regarding falsetto?
Just one. Is there any way to strengthen your voice to have a stronger falsetto? I find I've got a very deep voice, and when I go up to falsetto, I can get up there and it's very thin.
Yep.
Is there any way to help any specific exercise?
Yes. Placement. If you can send me a file, just send me an audio file to email me and I'll critique it for you. But it's placement. You're probably going, wee, wee, wee. We're going to hear the Eurythmics, and she puts this sound very high. Ed Sheeran, so you can keep me. It's a very light falsetto. So it's to do with placement. And, or air. I don't know, I need to listen to it. Because you could be going, wee, wee, wee. So air's a killer, guys. Like, a lot of people go, oh, geez, we're going to be singing and we're going to take a big breath, and then they thin out their voice with too much air like this. I'm doing this in my speaking voice. But yeah, try not to push through too much air because it will thin your voice out. But that's what I can say. Think of the sound going in between your ears. Wee, wee, wee. On the E vowel, no H. Wee, wee, wee. Not wee, wee, wee. And watch where it's placed. You can place falsetto. You can place all these sounds in your body somewhere. Like the Bee Gees. You should be dancing. Yeah. It's down. It's not, you should be. It's not angelic. So you can place these sounds in different places. Okay. It's a tricky one. I really have to assess what's going on. If I'm finishing the faster class after it, when I finish the faster class, come in, I'll hear your falsetto and I'll tell you exactly what's going on.